All right, tribe, that's it for today's video. Today's study group. You know how we do? Did you like this group? Not like this group? People, listen, weekend, do something else. Honest feedback.
Hey Ray, my name is Erica Faneuil. I'm from Houston, Texas. I graduate May 10th from Prairie View. Plan to take my test. This was very dope. You just relieved my anxiety. You set aside my fears, and I will definitely be bringing additional people on to you. I mean, it's just relatable content, and you're able to just meet us where you're at and just bring us up with you. So it's very appreciative. Thank you.
No, absolutely. Definitely glad you found a benefit out of the group. And shout out to the tribe growing, because I want us to understand. And sometimes it's just seeing things from a different perspective and just hearing it from a different perspective. It can help things click. So definitely glad you found value out of the group. And yeah, the tribe is growing. So shout out to the new tribe members today.
Well, hello, my name is Marie Moble. I currently live in Tennessee, and I stumbled across you. So I will admit, somebody had recommended you in the beginning, and I was just like, oh, I've got this, and I didn't. But now that I know, I should have went with you first go around, and I feel like I would have passed my test, because a lot of actually everything that you're going over and the way that you are breaking it down, I would have been prepared, and I felt like I would have passed my test with all the information that you've been providing. My confidence is coming around, and like I feel like I'm being restored. So you're helping me break down all the information. Everything, like I said, is just starting to click. I'm able to break it down, process, and I'm slowing down. I was, flying through the questions, but now I'm taking my time and I'm reading the questions. Like you said, what does the last question say? Then it helps you evaluate when you break down the questions. So you have been amazing. And so, like I said, I feel really, really prepared now. And I cannot wait to report back the good news in 2 weeks that I have passed my test, all because of you.
Nice. And I can't listen, I'm not taking all the credit, because you're putting in the work, right? This is your time as well. This is our time. It's not just me. And what? I'll give you one cup there. Yeah, like my glasses? You're like, I got glasses. I ain't going in. No offense. What? Well, we here now. It's all good.
Exactly. I am here.
It's all good. But definitely glad you found benefit out of the group and all that. You got this. Again, sometimes it just takes just a different perspective, a different way, a different perspective, and just a different way of looking at things in general. To help things click. So you got this. And I'm definitely looking forward to celebrating with you and the rest of the tribe when you tell us you passed.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Ray, thank you again. This is probably my third or fourth group that I've attended of yours. Well, no, because I did 3 groups this week. So probably 5 or 6. Each group I learned some very valuable information. The way you break down the information, the way that you give examples on the things that you are educating us on is very beneficial, very helpful, and I'm grateful for you.
No, absolutely. Definitely glad that you're here. And, one of the main things is, I know I'm like the face of everything, but yeah, we're a tribe. I see in our Facebook group us helping us out, and even some of the things people put in the chat, and especially when we're doing like those 5 for 5s and stuff like that, where we got more of that conversation flowing and everything. So definitely glad you're here and you're getting value out of it, because we're a tribe. We don't have to do it alone.
Absolutely. And you don't shortchange us. You take your time and you just go through all the information for us, and you just give us the time that we need. You provide feedback, answer questions, and just very grateful to have you.
I definitely appreciate you and our tribe. So yeah, we got this. And when you pass, definitely let us know, because I look forward to those.
I sure will.
All right.
Hey, just wanted to say, just kind of ditto what everyone else said, is that you've definitely been very helpful A lot of the stuff I did review when I was getting my master's, which I finished like last December. But gosh, where were you when I was in the classes? Because it made a lot more sense, especially like the community piece, which was always like my Achilles heel, like research and policies and all that stuff. I just no. And so yeah, so I'm just definitely grateful that it's you simplified it for me, because I was very overwhelmed when it came to this particular section and all of this, and I'm not 100% there, but I'm getting there. I take my master's test in 19 days. It's 19 days coming up, and so I feel so about it, but I think as closer to the time, I'll be a little bit better. But definitely grateful for your materials. Definitely looking forward to your course coming out. Do you have a date? So
not determined yet, but I'll definitely get everybody
updated. Yes, I'll be low key stalker on that because I still have another test to take. I still got to go clinical. So nonetheless, again, just appreciate you creating your content, making this fairly affordable for us to get the information that we need for our test. And yep, I'm a forever fan.
I appreciate you. Your tribe member. Not fan,
yeah, tribe member.
Yeah, you tribe. And
tribe.
I understand. No, you're good. And I understand where like again, I took the clinical route, so it's like community and like even the research and everything. It's just things that's not our world in social work. It's very broad, right? And some of the terms alone, we could be like, I'm not really familiar with that. I mean, I remember it, but like not enough to necessarily apply the information confidently to the questions and everything. And remember, different way of thinking. It's okay not to understand all of this on like the first go around. We're getting exposed to this information, but once we have it, stick with it and doing the consistent practice questions. I'm gonna emphasize that, so it really helps build up our confidence and help manage that exam anxiety. But we're a tribe, we got this, and I definitely look forward to you reporting that you passed and us celebrating you.
Amen.
Absolutely. Amen. All right, tribe. Thank you for attending today's study group. I appreciate you, and we got this. So we're gonna stay consistent with our 2 a day, 1 practice exam a month. Go in there, get our license, and continue with our social work journey. So we got this. All right, tribe. I'll see you next study group. I was about to say video. See you next study group.